It's our Workspace Spark unboxing. So this month is all about gratitude. You know, I try to start my day in gratitude. As soon as my feet hit the ground, I try to think about three things that I'm grateful for. And then I try to do the same when I end my day, right? Because I do believe that we have so many things we can complain about. We have so many things that we can worry about, right? But I do think that life is so much better when we are always in a state of gratitude, right? Because there's always something we should be grateful for. So let's dig into this month's box. All right, so fueling your career with gratitude. Before we get into what's in this amazing box, I wanted to read the quote. Gratitude can transform common days into Thanksgiving, turn routine jobs into joy, and change ordinary opportunities into blessings. How awesome is that? All right, before we get into what's in this box, let's talk about our training session. So we have a training with Tammy Mifflin, creating a resume that gets noticed. Ready to learn how to write a resume that gets you hired? A resume is like a window into your professional career. In this training, we cover the strategies and methods to create a winning resume that will get you noticed. So I had the opportunity of interviewing Tammy, and she gave some amazing tips, some great tips on LinkedIn, and some amazing tips on what we should be putting in our resume and what we should be leaving out. So make sure you check out that training. And then, of course, who's this beautiful, lovely lady? That is me. So another training this month is practice gratitude in your career. Your career has probably taken a few twists and turns. No matter where you have landed, you can look back over your past jobs and find opportunities to be grateful. In this training, we will reflect on your journey and ways to practice gratitude in your career. So make sure you check out these trainings. Now let's dive into this month's box. First things first, a portable selfie stick tripod. Capture all your favorite moments with this 3-in-1 multifunctional selfie stick. Y'all, do you know how excited I am? Like, super excited. I mean, who doesn't want a bomb selfie stick? And it's a tripod. So, how awesome is that? Please send us how you're using your tripod. You could be using this for your videos. You could be using this for pictures. This is amazing. Can't wait to start using it. Next, we have a gratitude journal. Life is not easy, but we can always find opportunities to practice gratitude. Use this beautiful gratitude journal to capture the things you are thankful for each day. So I mentioned how I practice my gratitude in the morning. You now have a journal of your own to practice as well. The gratitude journal, choose gratitude every day. So let's open this up a little bit. Give thanks with a grateful heart. And look at that. You have areas to write things you're grateful for. So I challenge you how you should best use this. I think if you can use it in the morning before you get your day started, as you're drinking your coffee or a tea, write down just 3 things that you're grateful for, right? And then in the evenings, doing the same. And then how can I pay it forward? You know, how can you pay how you're feeling and the good vibes that you bring to the world forward to other people? Awesome. I cannot wait to start using this. Next up is a bookmark pen. So a bookmark pen that you can actually use for your journal. So very cute, thin, sleek way for you to mark your pages and write. Last but not least, I think is my favorite out of this box. I don't know, the selfie stick, tripod, just a toss-up. Gratitude jar. The more grateful you are, the more present you become. Create visual reminders of all the things you are grateful for in your life. Moments to remember. So as you're going through the day, the weeks, the months, something amazing is happening. I'm talking about small things like getting a great parking space at the mall, right? Having your favorite cup of coffee. What are things and moments that you're grateful for, big and small? So you'll simply take these and put the date and write down what you're grateful for, drop them in your gratitude jar, and take them out when you're feeling a little down, or just to remind yourself. I've seen this done too, where at the end of the year, that people will then take everything out to remind them of all the things that they're grateful for the year. Anyways, that is our gratitude box. So I hope that you enjoy it just as much as I do. In the comments, let us know which product was your favorite, and then what you're grateful for this season. Can't wait to see you next time. Until then, have a great day.